Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the triarchic theory of intelligence. So, by the word triarchic means there are three components of this theory. According to Robert Sternberg, who founded this theory in 1985, there are three types of intelligence. Okay, so according to Robert Sternberg, intelligence is ability to adopt, shape, and select environment to accomplish any particular goal in a particular surroundings. So when a person is able to adopt himself or herself in an environment, or to able to shape the environment. Okay, suppose I want to study and I don't want to go to school, so what I will do, I will arrange laptop and online connections for studying here at home only. So I am changing the environment for myself for studying in a better way. So this is called to shape environment. So I am able to shape the environment for studying because my goal is to study and to bring good marks. Okay, so when I am able to adopt or to shape or to select the environment to accomplish my goals in a particular surrounding, it is called my intelligence. Now, first is called componential and intelligence and analytical intelligence. When I am behaving like while searching a best solution for my problem, when I am able to find a best solution for my problem, that is called my componential or analytical intelligence. Okay, so what I will do, I will acquire the knowledge, that is called knowledge acquisition, which is the first method, first process. Okay, I will acquire the knowledge, and then I will conduct the meta components. After acquiring the knowledge, I will plan to present that knowledge in a better manner. That is my higher order thinking skills. That is my meta components. Okay. Then after meta components, after planning higher order thinking skills to present my knowledge, I will perform the knowledge, that is my performance. Okay. So the three basic sub divisions of componential intelligence are knowledge acquisition, meta components, and performance. Okay, so this type of intelligence is having with the academician persons who are involved in academics, who are able to solve the puzzles, mathematical puzzles, vocabulary puzzles, crossword puzzles. Okay, who are able to solve the problems of others. So the person who is able to solve the problems of others in a best with the best solution is called analytical intelligent person. That is componential intelligent person. Okay. Next is experiential or creative intelligence. Now, what is experiential or creative intelligence? On the basis of my experience, I am finding a creative solutions, different solutions for my problem. So when I am able to find the creative or new solutions for my problem on the basis of my experience, it is my creative intelligence or experiential intelligence. So this type of intelligence is found in experienced persons. Okay. Third is called contextual or practical intelligence. Now here, when a person is able to change himself or herself according to situations in a practical manner, this is called contextual or practical intelligence. Okay. So here, when I am able to change myself according to different situations practically, in different situations I will change my behavior according to the situations in a different in different manner. Okay, so when I am able to change my behavior in different situations in a practical manner, this is my practical intelligence or contextual intelligence. So for example, street smart, the person who knows how to play smartly with others, how to talk smartly with others, how to behave smartly with others. This is called a street smart person. And the business minded person is, that is business smart person is also called a also having a practical intelligence or contextual intelligence. Okay, so these were the three types of intelligence which emerges in human. All these three types of intelligence are existing in human in a little amount or a more amount. Okay, ये तीनों इंटेलिजेंस हर ह्यूमन में अकॉर्डिंग टू रॉबर्ट स्टर्नबर्ग, ये तीनों इंटेलिजेंस कंपोनेंशियल, एक्सपीरियंशियल एंड कॉन्टेक्चुअल इंटेलिजेंस तीनों हर ह्यूमन में कम या ज़्यादा रहती है, ये रॉबर्ट स्टर्नबर्ग का कहना है। थैंक यू।